I wanted to show you a few camp tools I made using rebar. I find rebar a great material for anyone just starting blacksmithing. There are tons of things to make and it's cheap and easy to find. This first tool is long and fork shaped. It's designed to cradle my cast iron pot so I can move it in and out of the fire. This next tool I call a pot iron. I think it's called a simmer ring or a diffuser ring. It has a couple of uses. If your food is cooked but you want it to simmer, you place this under the pot, which lifts it from direct contact with the stove, lowering the temperature, essentially turning down the stove to simmer. Keep in mind this will get hot. You can also use it to protect the tabletop from a hot pan as well. This last tool is a basic hook, which can have hundreds of uses around camp. Hanging tools, cookware. I could also hang some meat from it while it cooks over the fire. Simple as they may be, I think they are really going to help around camp making my life easier. Thanks for watching.